Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you this new product I received. Okay, this is a KASETER blanket. This product, it's light, soft, it's really incredible, the material it has. It's warm and it's suitable for many seasons. Okay, it has many bright colors, like you can see just in this part. It's the touching, it's incredible. I'm going to show you what it says in the blanket. Okay, here I can show you what it says, but the first thing it says, it's to my mom, and it says that love you mom. Okay, so I'm going to put it in my bed and I'm going to show you everything it says. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you what it says. It says to my mom, I love you mom, thank you for always listening to me, patiently and supporting me unconditional. And I like it because it here has like a heart. What you have done for me, I deeply imprinted in my, what it says here, in my heart. You are my most important and favorite person. I always love you. Okay, so this is what it says, the blanket. And what I was telling you, it's that I like that it has different patterns in all the blanket. Okay, here you can see it has some type of flowers in this part, and then in this part it has another type of different flowers. So I think it will look perfect for many occasions, and also the colors, I think that it will be perfect to put it in any part you want. Okay, here in the in the other side, it has a butterfly, it has another flower, it has hearts, it has many different type of colors. Okay, here it has another flower. Okay guys, I want to show you how it will looks like in the bed of my mom. Okay, and it's there. And like I was telling you, this blanket, it looks incredible because it has many colors. Like you can see there, I have a pillow beige and a purple pillow, so I think it matched perfectly. And I know that if I have another pillow of another type of color, it also looks perfect, because it has many colors and many designs and many flowers and butterflies and hearts. It will looks perfect. Like you can see there, it has a big type of flowers, so I think it looks perfect. Here it has a butterfly, here it has another type, here it has many more. Okay, so, and also really it is very big. Okay, so I think it looks perfect in the bed of my mom. So I think that I'm going to leave it like that, and until her birthday. And I hope you like it, and also that my mom like it a lot.